The top bar. New opens an object-free space. Open opens a window to folders and previously saved and imported models. Save saves models to its file. Save as opens a window to select a folder to give the model a name. Formats for saving are Create, STL, OBJ, and WRL. Export opens a window for naming and saving only the selected models in the same formats as mentioned before. Insert opens a window to select a file of a model to insert in with the current work and models. Help opens a concise list of the most used shortcut keys and what those buttons on the Falcon can do. Click outside the list to close it. Reset returns the 3D space to the original position with the world rotation axis in the center of the 3D space, with the x-axis in the vertical, x as side to side, and z as front to back. The grid brings up the grid plane in the vertical y-axis across the screen. The default unit per square is 1 centimeter. Use the page down keys to switch plane to horizontal and again to switch to vertical, front to back. Use the up and down arrow keys to nudge the grid 1 millimeter unit at a time. Quit. Click here to end your session. In the side menu, the primitives are a sphere, cube, cylinder, cone, and torus. These are used for object modeling. The plane is used as a construction tool as it has no substance. The line's thickness can be sized using the cursor size slider bar and the X, Y, and Z keys to control for straight lines. The functions are move, rotate, snap, measure, scale, etc., and these are covered in the different tutorials. Preference is the only pop-up menu. Click on the preference bar, and in here you can turn on and off the wireframe mode. You can select units, whether millimeters, centimeters, or meters. You can show the floor and a shadow and the color box. You can also manage the grid size and autosave time. The bar along the bottom shows on the left-hand side the active function, and the rest of the text gives instructions and tips. The color box. To select a color, push the cursor into the color box, and the cursor will change color and size. Hold down the Falcon Center button to capture the color marker and move it in 3D to select a color. Next, go to Create an Object. Click on, for example, the sphere icon in the menu using the Falcon Center button. Then bring your cursor into the workspace and click and hold down this Falcon Center button. Push and pull the Falcon grasp to scale the object up and down. You can touch and feel the object in 3D. Repeat the previous steps to create a cube and then a cone in different colors. To select an object, push into it until the cursor turns red and click the back button on the Falcon grasp. Then, on the menu, select Move or M on the keyboard. Then with the cursor in the workspace, hold down the Falcon Center button while moving the grasp, and this will move the cube in 3D. Next, hold down the right side Falcon button and move the grasp in all directions. This will rotate and roll the working space and all the objects in it. Push and pull to zoom back and forwards. Then use the reset button in the top menu to return the world view to the original position.